How's it going, guys? My name's Anthony, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick little tutorial on how to make a Voltz server for you and your friends to play, or whatever you want. Um, it's a lot easier now than it was before. Before you used to have to actually code the launcher, code the files, manually load the files. Everyone had to. It was really complicated, but they've changed it up. Everything's basically automatic now. Almost. You just have to activate it and stuff. It's simple. So you're gonna need three things for this to work. Well, first of all, you're gonna need a Minecraft account. By the way, you guys are gonna need a Minecraft account. You don't have to download Minecraft in order to play this. You just need the Minecraft account, a premium one. But first, what you're gonna need to do is go on your internet browser and go to hold on, google.com, and then just type in Hamachi download. Alright, it should say this one. It's the hamachi.en softonic.com right here. I'll put this in the description. When that is done downloading, it will come up with a little alright. Oh, come on, don't be like this. I just moved this out of my file. I don't think I should have. Guys, don't do that. It should just come up right here. Don't do what I did. I'm gonna fix this real quick. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, don't do that. Just keep this file in here. It'll pin itself right here, so you just have to pin it. And then you can just click on it anytime. But anyways, let me get this up. Alright, yeah. Alright, so the little menu will come up like this. When it first comes up, you want to hit this, and it'll power it on. And you know when it's done because you'll have your IP here, a serial code, and it'll say ready. That means you're ready. Now to create the network, you just click network, go to create a new network, and then type in whatever you want. Say Voltz TS for test server. You have to put something in for password, sadly. It cannot be nothing. You can just put 1 if you want. And then create. Alright, and there you go. I already have one though, it's right here, so I'm just gonna actually I'll just delete this one. Alright, there you go. And then if you ever want your friends to join that, all I have to do is go to network, join existing network, and then they just put that's the network ID, and then you just tell them the password, and then they'll hit join. Simple. Also, sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm just really tired, and it's kind of late. I am using my desktop right now because for some reason the Voltz server, it takes up a big chunk of your usage. And even though my PC has like 15 gigabytes of RAM and 10 gigabytes of memory, for some reason it still causes it lag. So hopefully the desktop will be better. Anyways, when you're done with the Machi, what you're going to do is, second step, go to on your internet browser. Which one is it? This one. Okay, if you don't have the Technic launcher yet, just go to technicpack.net. It'll be in the download. click either Windows, Mac, or Linksys, whichever one you have. It should download automatically once you click that. It'll be like in this bar. And then go ahead and run that once until you get the launcher up. Run Voltz, if you want to know what it looks like. Oh yeah. Alright, go ahead and run it. Give it a minute. Alright. It'll look like this. I do have the old version. I haven't gotten the time to just update to the new one yet. This is how you select Voltz. You can scroll through here and you just click select Voltz. Log in for your first time. It'll download it automatically. I'm going to keep that minimized. Go back to your internet browser. And then you want to go here and it'll say, this will also be in the description. Click View Details. And then you just click Download the Voltz server. And it will automatically pop up right here and download. Simple stuff. You want to drag it into a file on your desktop. You can call it whatever you want. Mine's just Voltz server. Sorry, I already ran the server once on a tutorial, which I was doing the same thing, but it didn't work, so I have to redo it. Basically what it'll have is it'll say launch. It'll have mods, maybe config, and it'll say Voltz, the jar, and then what you want to do first though is just run the launch. Just run this once. It will download the world. You just have to give that a minute. You will know when it's done because it will say it'll say done right here, done. And then doing your first time, you just hit stop. And then it'll say click any button to continue, just to enter. Alright, and then all these files would have loaded. If you want to make the server cracked, well, first of all, go to the server jar, edit with some kind of notepad. You can change this is the name, you can change it to whatever you want. You can put any players, you know, stuff like that. Okay, so you want to change this is the first step, you want to change this to false. And then the main important thing for people who don't even want to get it cracked, you need to listen right here. You have, for the server IP, this will be empty in the first time. What you want to do is go to your Machi, right click this and say copy IP4 address, and then just paste that in right there. You can change whatever you want. I'm not going to do it now. Then you just hit save and close out of it. The second thing that you have to do to make it cracked is right click the launch, go to edit with notepad. What you want to do is, well, actually, first of all, you guys can change this if you want. Make this lower if you don't have a very good computer. I can put it at whatever I want because my desktop can handle it no problem. But anyways, go after Nogi, hit space, and then slash O space false. You have to type that in. If you want it to be not cracked like normal, you can either do two things. You can just change this to true, or you can not have this at all. Just keep it like that. But for the video, I'm going to have it cracked. I do not have a cracked account. I have an actual account. I'll prove it to you because I'm going to log into Technic, and in order to, you have to have an actual account. So, there is though there's a cracked version of it, and this is how you do it. Same with the vanilla server. Anyways, just change that to false. And then save. Exit out of it. And then you can just go ahead and launch the server. Wait for the CMD to load. Okay, now you should just leave it. Just minimize it. And then go into your Technic launcher. Go ahead and log in. Guys, I am sorry for that stupid name I have. I don't know why I ever chose that. I wish I could change it, but I just never ever thought about rebuying Minecraft just for that, just for a name. I know it's stupid. I don't know why I chose it. But you know, don't hate on it. Go ahead and give this a minute to load. Alright. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, that's weird. Anyways, just go to multiplayer. It should automatically come on. If it doesn't, then just hit add server. And then copy the IP4 address right here, paste it in right there, and hit done. It'll come up. Give it a minute to load. It should take a minute to load when it's your first time joining. You know what? I think I flew up here in the last video. I did, didn't I? Yeah. Alright, well, it'll generate. You just gotta give it a minute to load. Wow. That is... I have never had that much... I've never had that low of FPS. I get at least 60 FPS on Voltz, and at least above 100 on Ticket. I don't know how it's so low. Probably just because I got a lot of stuff running. Anyways, yeah, you guys can go ahead and mess around with whatever you want on here. Do whatever you want. And I hope you found this tutorial video helpful. And anyways, if you have any questions or anything, just email me or leave a comment, anything. And it would really help if you know, actually left a comment for something good or rated, subscribed, anything. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I am gonna go kill some sheep. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.